Shu Kaicheng is a Chinese actor. In 2023, he appeared in Love is an Accident. He has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2021, he appeared in Young and Beautiful. The same year, he also played Broker. His ease in front of the camera and the perfect portrayal of his character brought his instant recognition. In 2022, he appeared in Ordinary Greatness. In 2019, Shu starred in the romantic comedy web drama Well-Intended Love. The series was a hit and led to increased popularity and recognition for Shu. The same year, he starred in the fencing drama Boys to Men. Shu was born in Shanghai, China. In 2020, Shu starred in the Shanzha romance comedy Dance of the Phoenix. He was cast in the historical fantasy drama Noveland Pearl Eclipse. Experts believe that his work serves as a testimony to his acting prowess and that he could be a very successful actor in future. In 2018, Shu starred in the fantasy romance drama Moonshine and Valentine as a second male lead. The series was a commercial success and Shu became known to wider audiences. The same year, he played his first leading role in the historical comedy web series I Am a Pet at the Delhi Temple, which was a moderate success. He worked hard to earn respectable fame and name. In 2012, Shu signed a contract with Ming Dao's entertainment agency and made his acting debut in the television series The Queen of Soap 2. He continued to star in various supporting roles in television series. He learned dance since young and enrolled in the Shanghai Theatre Academy in 2007, majoring in ballet. In 2017, Shu first gained recognition with his role as a vampire in the fantasy web drama I Cannot Hug You. His working hard, he achieved a lot of success, and among people he made a good impression.